One of the tools for being happy is the willingness to actually be as outrageous as you truly are. How many of you know you're a little bit outrageous? So one of the things you want to be willing to do is be as outrageous and happy as you truly are, but it requires you being willing to be different than other people. The purpose of life is to have fun. Now, my question is, are you having any? Because if you're not, it's time to change something. If you ask a question, it opens up another possibility for what might occur. So 4 questions, very simple. What is this really? What do I do with it? Can I change it? And how do I change it? Because most of the people that are committing suicide are in an intense amount of judgment of themselves, and they don't know how to get out of it. For anything that you do that's not perfect, now you're wrong, and you also can't say anything about it, otherwise you're not seen as perfect. And I think one of the difficulties is people do not recognize that it's a temporary problem.
We have a stereotype of what makes a real man, as though there is such a thing, and unfortunately most men don't fall into it. From my point of view, a true gentleman is somebody who likes the person looking back at them from the mirror, and they're also somebody who looks to see how they can contribute to other people, not just how they can take. A man can be potent and kind, he can be powerful and also sensitive, and a man can stand up for his mates in a fight and also stand up for women's rights. If you grow up around parents who were fearful, for example, you pick up that energy out in the world and you think it's yours and you have your whole life. We're not looking for better when we're judging ourselves, we're looking for what's wrong. The difficulty is when somebody puts out this perfect box, this bright shiny object that you should have in your life, and if you don't have that perfect bright shiny object, then you go into judgment of you. And then you go, oh, well, I can't do a relationship. Well, if you got clear on what you desired, you could probably create a great relationship. It's just nobody's looking for what they truly desire that would work for them. We're a lot in judgment of us for not doing and being enough. Does that make sense? If that were to change, everything you've ever perceived that was an inspiration would enliven you, would create that enthusiasm and excitement, and would open up your world to more choices. Do the stuff that makes you happy. Do something that energizes your body. Get out in nature, receive the energy of the earth. The one thing that will inspire somebody to choose happiness is when they see you being happy and they go, well, I want what they're having. Go out into the world and create you as you desire to. You'll start to get the awareness that it's actually your choice how you be, your choice how you show up, and nobody can take you from it if you don't let them.